everybody, my name is Beth Piantoni and thank you for joining me today. Today I'm going to walk you through some myofascial release techniques that you can do to release tension in the upper body, especially the neck, shoulders, back, and chest. This is really good if you've been sitting for long periods of time. Grab a tennis ball. I've got a trigger point ball here, but a tennis ball will work just fine. Stand on up and join me. So we're going to go against the wall, and the first thing we're going to do is take the tennis ball and put it in the upper part of the back. Slowly lean up against the wall. You're going to put a little bit of pressure and scan. Find where you've got that knot, and then once you're there, we're going to put a little bit of pressure and breathe. Nice big deep breath. Good. And then we're going to start to massage the knot, going from side to side or up and down. You can manipulate it in whatever way feels good for you. So you want to make sure that you're putting just enough pressure, not too much pressure, where you're feeling that nice good release. You want to roll it out about 5 to 10 times, and remember to breathe. And you might have to adjust a few times, and that's okay. Good, and then we're going to switch it to the other side. And remember, you don't want to put it on the spine. Still working with the upper back here. Find your spot, a little pressure and breathe. Good, and then roll it out. I know a lot of people who hold upper body, hold stress in the upper body. So this is a really simple, powerful tool that you can use throughout the day to make you feel so much better and really release that tension and tightness and pain. Keep coming back to your breath. Good, and release. Awesome. So then we're going to hit the middle part of the back. Again, not hitting the spine. Right underneath the shoulder blades here. Putting up that pressure. Breathe. And then rolling it out. Oh yeah. I found that spot. Again, it's a nice good release. I'm doing little circular motions here. But again, you can go up or down or to the side. All right, moving it on over to the other side. Scan, find the spot. Yep, there it is. And breathe. And roll. Roll it out. Awesome. Okay. Next, we're going to work with the pecs. So if we've been sitting or commuting and we're rounding our spine, this is really good for opening up the chest along with releasing the trigger point in the pecs. So taking the tennis ball and putting it right here over the armpit, pushing up against the wall, and again, finding that good pressure where you have that nice release. Breathe. Let's just take a couple more big deep breaths on this one. And then roll it out. I'm just going to go from side to side on this one. Then I'm going to go up and down. It looks kind of funny, but it works. Good, and then getting the other side, right over the armpit here. And breathe, putting a little bit of pressure. And then rolling it out from side to side. Good, and then up and down. And release. All right, that is what I got for you. Hopefully you're feeling a little bit better. Try to incorporate this at least once a day, especially if you've been sitting, and I guarantee that you'll start to feel much, much better. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you soon.